Emma, what's that?
Eagle.
Eagle. Oh.
Carrot, fish, with talents.
Oh, carry the fish use talons.
Yes.
Good job, Emma. Wow, you're learning a lot about birds.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Biggest bird. She cannot fly. She can run.
Oh, wow. She cannot fly. She can run. And the biggest bird. Oh, what's that?
Toucan.
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 Oh, wow.
She's got the biggest bill.
Oh, toucan has the biggest bill?
He has a long bill.
Long bill. Wow.
She cannot fly, but she can what? She can wait.
Okay. Owl cannot walk, but okay.
She can but the walk.
Oh, she cannot walk.
She cannot walk.
Okay.
She spunk the walk.
Okay.
It's a hummingbird.
Oh, big. What's that?
Hummingbird.
Oh, hummingbird. Wow.
What's that?
What's that?
Owl?
Owl.
That's mice.
And that is?
Woodpecker.
Wow. What's that, Emma?
Ark. And
Ark?
Adele.
Oh, dove. And then, who's that?
Noah.
Oh, si Noah.
I forgot colors. I forgot another color.
Oh, you forgot to call her Noah. That's okay. Aww.
The end.
The end. Oh, nice job, Emma. You like your birds?
Yes.
Wow, who's that?
Eagle.
Who's that picture? Who's that?
Emma.
Oh, Emma.
She's calling my shirt.
Oh, you call her your shirt.
Michelle.
Michelle. What did Michelle do?
Michelle color my shirt.
Color your shirt? Uh-oh.